So just a little quickie on a set of heads that a customer brought down just to have me do some match port, which I scribed it out now. And I'm going to match port one for him. He's getting a fuel injection system. This is something for customers that if you order a set of heads, like these are kind of ported. I don't know. It's a funnel port. It's big port here, and then you go down and it goes back to stock. And then port's big again down by the seat. It's kind of confusing. But as I took these apart so that I could scribe the in casting, basically, there's glass bead in the valves. They were terrible. I couldn't get the dang valves out, basically. Sorry, I wedged that. And they were so bad that I couldn't get a couple of valves out. Finally get them out. They're completely dry. There was no oil on them. And they were still glass bead from when whoever freshened up the heads, basically. And then pull it apart, and the springs, and you can see the scratch lines on them and everything. They're used. They're not new. So then I checked them. I'm a little poundage checker. Normal dual spring at the installed that I check them at is normally in the 240-ish. I'm sorry, up in the 320 range. These particular springs were down in the 220. They were 100 pounds down. Now the red flag for me was that the moment I pulled them out, they're short. So it's really obvious. I mean, you can see this one's leaning over to one side too. But they were a short spring, and that usually means the spring is dying. And sure enough, check it, and they are dead. So it kind of sucks because the guy goes and gets heads and picks up a head that looks cool. It's got a port. The chamber looks like it's had some work done to it. It's got brand new valves in it. And the retainers look like they're new. Like, you look at this and you're like, oh, that's like a brand new retainer. No, it's a used retainer. It's been ran. And then the keepers are just stock Volkswagen. Well, actually, it's a mix match. This is an aftermarket keeper, and then there's stock ones in there. But that gives you an idea. Bugs the crap out of me. But the other thing, had no shims in here. So it's just spring on top of aluminum, which is just going to chew up everything. Just irks me. Just thought I'd show you guys some of the things that comes my way. All right, so I got to finish putting these together. There's its mate. It's got a port, and it's got, somebody did the chamber work to it, but yeah. No. All right, next.